What is up, everyone? It is the endorsement, and it is time for another review. This is where I try something and tell you if you should like it or not. I can be very persuasive, talking a little quietly inside a Culver's, trying their new concrete mixer. That's right, Culver's version of, I guess you can say, like a Dairy Queen Blizzard, but they use custard. That's right, vanilla custard, but the name of this bad boy right here is the Salted Caramel Pumpkin Concrete Mixer. So we got pumpkin, vanilla custard, and salted caramel. Yeah, so take a look at that in there. It looks like the filling of like a pumpkin pie like filling. So let's see if we can check this out. The consistency right there, look at that. Looks like it has chunks in it too of something, but that might be the caramel, or what are you gonna do? And we're doing a little inside the restaurant review today, and the lighting is horrible. I went to like 4 different booths and see if we can knock this out. So I hope you can hear me. There's no music going on, but there's people all around. So what are you gonna do? So let's give this a shot. It is literally like eating the inside of the pumpkin pie. I'm not really getting the salted caramel with this. It is just overwhelming pumpkin goodness. Not like that's a bad thing. Ooh, one more try. Little bit of a like saltiness flavor, but man, that is exactly like the inside of a well-made pumpkin pie. Yeah, take a look at it. Ah, so good. Plus it's custard, so it's like a little smoother. Concrete mixer. So let's rate this, shall we? On a scale of 1 to 100, with 1 meaning do not even waste your money, and 100 being the promised land of, I'm going to give the Culver's Salted Caramel Pumpkin Concrete Mixer a rating of 85. 85, just a little over 8 out of 10 for all you laymen out there. I got the mini version, it was $3. But it is a very sweet pumpkin concoction, and it's new on their menu right now, so you should definitely check it out. So there you go, another review in the books. Please like, please comment, and please subscribe, and check me out on Instagram and Twitter. Sometimes I'm inside a restaurant. I don't even know if this came out. I don't even know if this will ever see the light of day, but that's the fun of this. Mixing it up a little bit. No pun intended. All right. Bye.